Water security continues to be an existential issue for Singapore, with water demand expected to double by 2060. And by that time, the second water agreement would be close to expiry.
So there is a need for Singapore to manage its water usage. Making those comments, the Environment and Water Resources Minister also noted some results.
There are encouraging trends in our water demand, because Singapore's per capita household water consumption actually reduced from 165 litres per capita in 2003 to 141 litres per capita in 2018. That's a tremendous change, and I'd like to thank every household who has made the effort to choose the right appliances and adopt the right behaviour to conserve water.
Mr. Masagos was speaking at an exhibition on water usage. It's a showcase of photographs taken by students from First Toa Payoh Primary School and Cedar Girls Secondary School.
Royal Plaza on Scots, the hotel hosting the exhibition, is also doing its part to reduce water usage. Its initiatives include installing aerators in bathroom taps to regulate water flow and reduce consumption. And such measures help the hotel save $120,000 in water bills yearly.
It's not only for the hotel. When our people or CEOs here in the hotel knows what we are doing, they want to adapt it at home as well. It's a saving for them. It's educational as well for the children and the whole family to be able to do it.